What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Wednesday morning. Taking a look at the NASDAQ here. Looking at MNQ this morning rather than NQ. Looks like we're pushing up into this 225.75 level of resistance. Taking a look here. We've just been grinding down. We're above the 9 to 20 here on the 4 hour, looking across bullish. Let's see if we get some nice setups here today. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the first trade.
Order filled.
Taking this long here at 205.75. Looking to see if we can get some continuation higher here. We are bumping our head on that 225.75. We have hit it a couple times. I think we want to go through that level now. Stop down there at 180.75. And then targeting push higher here towards current high of day. See if they'll hold this area here. So pushing lower there.
Order filled.
Yeah, stopped out on that. Makes me want to take the trade again. I'm just watching it here. Coming to 9 on the 5 minute. Stop me out, and now it's running back up here. Yeah, it was either going to hold that there or we were going to do pretty much just that. Back into the 5 minute level. Thought about taking that long. Watching for longs basically, though. That one didn't work there. Let's see if we get another entry here.
Order filled.
Take this long here for continuation. Strong 5 minute candle, close over the previous candle high, looking to push over the highs here. So we're long from 236.25. Let's see if we can join this continuation, push over the current high here. Getting a nice push. High is at 63.25. See if they can push that higher here. There we go. There's a break of the high. Gonna move my stop up there a little bit. If this candle after breaking the high goes red. Zoom in here, see if we can get some momentum off this. Hold this 55 level here. Put a stop buy there over the high if we get continued momentum higher here. And then trail stop. Let's see, they're right on that high. See if we can open here, flip green, and push this. Looking to move my stop up to about here, under that candle low if we get tagged in. Watching for the push higher. Just fighting it. Stop is basically break even here. Not gonna let this go red on us, but would like to see it, of course, continue higher here. We can push.
Order filled.
There we go. We push that high. Stop is going to be there. Move stop up there. If we break down under that high we just broke out of. I'll put this towards 300. We're going to keep trailing this.
Order
We
filled.
go red on that. See if that made sense. I put under that candle low. It might continue. Had under this candle open and close here at 62. We are just holding that high. It may just continue there. About 300 on that trade. Puts us back green, basically even on the day. 46 bucks. Nothing to get crazy about here. It did just, yeah, swipe back down. That would have taken me out. So good stop on that. You can always get a little whippy after we break a high. New 15-minute candle, new 5-minute candle, new hourly candle. Everything about to open here. Hourly's up, room back down. Good bit towards 200, 30-minute, 15-minute. Interesting spot here. Let's see what sets up.
Order filled.
Look for a long here, just 2 MNQ at this 15-minute level that we opened. Put a stop buy over the high if we do get the momentum and this does end up holding. Watching this here if we can keep the trend intact. Pushing back into the 9 there, just on a 1 minute. See if they break below that. See if our stop buy orders get hit. If we can get a push higher towards 300.
Order filled.
And then trail this. Tagged in long there on the first buy stop order. Watching for the last one if we can get tagged in here. And see if we can get a strong hourly candle move back up.
Order filled.
There you go, tagged in there. Broke the high. Oh man, they're just sanding it straight back down. $56.25. Put it at 56 if they do break that. Want to see obviously a continued push there. We may get stopped out here.
Order filled.
Yeah, it took the high and then just instantly came back down. I could have tightened stop up. So I probably should have done after breaking that high. Down 324 now on that. Coming back lower here, pushing into this level, 30-minute. We come back into 227.75 in this level here. I'd be interested in a long. Let's see if we end up getting that here.
Order filled.
Tags in long there to MNQ. We're on a 30-minute long setup. See how this plays out here. We have our 225.75 level as well as the rejection area. Hopefully it looks to turn into support now. See if we can hold this area. If not, we're gonna get stopped out on this one. This 5-minute candle.
Order filled.
I'm gonna add one there. We're gonna go to 3.
Order filled.
I'm gonna add another one there. We close over the 9. See if we can get some continued momentum on this. Dipping back down into our entry there. See if this can flip back green and then push higher here.
Order filled.
We got tagged in there. Stop will be under the low. Let's see if we can continue higher here. Good candle open, starting to curl here on the 9. I like the 5-minute setup. Should have gotten more down here, a little bit larger size earlier. Good candle formation as well. See if we can get over this area right here, these candle lows. Get through the 60s. Getting pushed back down here towards the 30s. They may swipe the low here and stop me out. See if they hold this or not. Trying to push back up here towards our entry. They did hold this level so far. New 5-minute candle, about 1:15. See if they can at least hold it up here for the new 5-minute candle. Pushing into the 920 there. See if we can get a close over that. They pushed it up there at the last second. Let's see if we can hold that now. Good close on that candle. 2-minute structure, see if they can run the high of that red candle we just put in. $10 here, a new 5-minute candle as well. See if we can close over this 55 level. Good close on the candle. Go red, now flip that green, and let's see if this candle can give us some momentum here. 11:10, we're still in the first 10 minutes of the hour. Looking to flip green on the hourly after going down, and looks good for continuation. Retesting levels. I do like the setup here. They need to get through these 60s. If we can get up here, it's going to prove to be... We might see a quicker move. If they can get up there. Big if at this point. Okay, closed above. Giving it another go here, push into the 60s. A spike. We don't want just a wick, we want some continuation. Yeah, it needs to get over that right there. Put a stop market buy there over these highs. If we can go through that, we probably get a little bit more of an aggressive move. But we may just continue to hold underneath of it. I'll move up stop to around here. If we do get filled. Up to a 2-minute here. Definitely a battle going on. See if they can hold this area right here. And they are trying. Want to see it snap up, honestly. A little bit of a squeeze out of this level. New 2-minute candle about to open here. We got a minute on a 5-minute. Breaking lower. Let's see if they can snap that back up and recover. Or if they're going to give in to the sellers here. Getting pushed lower here. They are fighting to hold this up. Flipping it green. Looking to push that.
Order filled.
Gonna move my stop up here. New 5-minute candle opened. See if we can get a continued push out of this. There we go.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna take off a handful.
Order filled.
Let's go, baby. Trump tweet or anything. I will take it. Oh gosh. I wonder if that was news. Probably with the volume, or just that was the ultimate short squeeze. Just like that. You guys saw it here live. We were long. As Trump pressed his little post button. The biggest thing out of that is just being long in an uptrend. Because when that happens, if you're short in an uptrend and something like that happens, you're going to get destroyed. Biggest takeaway there is just being with the trend, and whether or not your initial entry works or it gets another setup along the way, more times than not, it will work. If you have proper stop and risk management on it. It feels good to have a nice green trade though. It's been a rough patch. We're gonna leave it at that today. Great trade. Happy about the results today. And we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching.